Malaysia's prime industrial gateway, 402 freehold acres in Johor, duty-free access to ASEAN and beyond. Unlock unparalleled logistics potential in southern Malaysia's booming industrial corridor with this freehold 402-acre land parcel in Kluang, Johor. Strategically positioned for global manufacturers and logistics giants, this site offers direct access to ASEAN markets and world-class infrastructure, 100% foreign-owned permitted. Key foreign investor advantages. 0% import/export duties, via nearby Port of Tanjung Pelepas, PTP, ASEAN's fastest-growing port. Tax incentives, pioneer status/IDA allowances via MIDA, 5 10-year tax exemptions. No equity restrictions, full foreign ownership permitted under Malaysia's Industrial Coordination Act. Dedicated SEZ links, 15-minute to Iskandar Malaysia Special Economic Zone. Location highlights. 25-minute to Port of Tanjung Pelepas, PTP. 30-minute to Sonny International Airport, cargo flights to 35-plus countries. 1.5-hour to Singapore via Second Link Expressway. Adjacent to Sonny Desaru Highway, plus expressway network. Land specifications. Size, 402 acres, 163 hectares. Zoning, heavy industrial, ideal for manufacturing, logistics hubs, data centers. Tenure, freehold, full perpetual ownership. Topography, flat, cleared land, minimal site preparation costs. Utilities, grid power plus fiber optic at boundary. Pricing. RM32 per square foot, $7 and 3 cents per square meter. Total, RM 340 million, $72.5 million. Flexible payment structures available. Compliance simplified. MSPO/ISO ready site documentation. MIDA, Malaysian Investment Development Authority, pre-approval support. Dedicated Foreign Investment Liaison. Act now, limited opportunity. First foreign investor receives complimentary feasibility study plus fast-track DPA approval. For more information and viewing, kindly email Sonny at sonnycock2@gmail.com, or hand phone WhatsApp +6016 218 7571. Owner is welcome to list.